have never played electric guitar before, you're going to be able to do this at the end of this video. And later, I'm also going to show you the one simple trick that makes this sound like real music, even if you feel like you are not doing it right at first. Here's the simplest way to hold the guitar so you can start playing immediately. So we take the guitar, we sit the curve of the guitar on our thigh like this, and then we bring the elbow to sit on top, and that helps keep the guitar balanced. Today, we only need one finger to push down on the strings to play this song. And I'm using the guitar pick today, but you could also use your thumb to pluck the strings, and it's going to sound like music immediately. The thumb goes behind the neck, and we're going to take our index finger, this one here, and then we're going to use the tip to push the string down. Once we've got the string pushed down, we can either use our thumb to push through the string, or we can use the guitar pick like this. If we pluck and we release, then the note stops. So what you got to do is to keep the note pushed down, just like this. Cool, you're making music already. So all the notes are going to be on this 6th string here, this low one. We're going to play the open first, and then we're going to use our first finger to push down at the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3, just in between these two metal strips here. And then we're going to slide the finger down to the 5th fret. Now you'll notice that we have these dots to help on the front. Now if you don't have these, you can actually put stickers on to help you to make it more visual. So let's play that again. We're going to go open, where we're not pushing down, 3rd fret, slide to the 5th fret. So remember to keep pushing down to get the notes to sound really clear. So that's step 1. The next part, open, 3, 6, and then 5. Then back to open, 3, 5, 3, back to open. Now remember, you can pause and rewatch the video as often as you like until you memorize this, and you can just play it fast. Here's the version without me talking. Pause the video, have a good practice, come back, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do the play along together. And this is where we piece it all together and it starts to sound like real music. So do that now and come back and join me. If this helps you get closer to playing your first real songs today, please hit like. It helps more kids find these lessons too, so I can help guiding you step by step as you improve. So let's play along together. I'm going to count down from 3 so we both know when to start. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And again, 3, 2, 1. Just follow along. One more time for good luck. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, you did it. That's amazing. I'd love for you to go and show all your family and friends your first song on guitar. It's absolutely amazing. Really well done. Hi parents, just quickly jumping in here. What made you decide for your child to learn electric guitar today? And what do you need most help with right now? Please drop a comment and I reply to every comment left. If you want to go from beginner to a really confident guitarist fast, I've put together a step-by-step course, online course called Guitar Start in 30 Days. It's designed to take you through real progress, and it's not just random lessons. You'll find the link in the description to this course if you want to go and check that out right now. Just remember, you can go from feeling unsure to confidently playing real songs on the guitar. You are truly capable of more than you think. And small steps can turn uncertainty into real confidence. Even if it feels hard at first, you can still create something real and feel incredibly proud of yourself. Please join me in the next video where I'm going to show you this really cool song. This is the next progressive song, which is called Seven Nation Army. Now I've provided the link to this video, this tutorial video, in the comments below. So go and click that now and join me there, and we'll have some fun and we'll learn it together.